Two microlenders, FMC Finance at Lion Finance Zimbabwe, collapsed despite operating a low-risk payroll lending model. The reason is not clear. For at least 5 months, government has been deducting loan repayments from civil servants' salaries, but not remitting the money to lenders. About $85 million has reportedly been withheld. Satamina mashoko budanyi kwachinzi Guvamatanga Grand Heist. Don't bother subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pa takabatana daily kwabudanyi rachiti. This is not borrower default. It is a state non-payment. Treasury is effectively forcing microlenders to lend money to government at zero interest with no repayment date, pushing firms into insolvency. The same practice reportedly affects medical aid and NASA contributions, leaving civil servants denied services despite deductions appearing on pay slips. Contractors and suppliers face similar treatment, with some told payments for roads and terms will be spread over years. At the center is the Treasury Permanent Secretary Guvamatanga, whose office controls cash releases. While officials speak of cash management, critics say the state is broke and surviving by sitting on money already collected. Selective spending continues on luxury vehicles and travel, while statutory obligations go unpaid. What is unfolding is not mismanagement, but a silent payroll and supplier heist, turning government from an intermediary into biggest risk in the system. Domash konokudachi expose wapangwa ino netakabatana vachiuya vachiposta mapictures aiwa aGeorge Guvamatanga vachiti takabatana. George Guvamatanga Grand Heist ndomasho kwanokuda panguva ino vachiexposa vakomana ve the ruling party ZANU-PF vanoko kunzi vari kusiya maemployees, vari kusiya macivil servants vasina kana chinhu. Panguva ino mari panguva ino dziri kutongwa zvisina tsarukano, dzisingazivikanwi kuti dziri kuenda kupi, dziri kushandei uye dzichadzoka rini, dzichaberekawo interest here or not. Pena kuma section metu mafunguro emo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.